Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
braised beef short ribs, my favorite. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Season short ribs with salt and pepper and place in a large pot or Dutch oven. Sear the short ribs until golden brown on all sides. Remove and set aside. Add the carrots, onion, celery, and garlic to the pot. Cook for about 5 minutes until softened. Return short ribs to the pot, pour in red wine and simmer until reduced by half. Add enough beef broth and submerge the ribs. Stir in thyme, rosemary, parsley, and bay leaves. Cover with the lid, place in the oven, and braise for about 2 to 3 hours until beef is fork tender. Remove the short ribs and serve hot with rice or mashed potatoes. For these recipes and more, visit ktsuperstores.com/recipes.